Good morning, my dear students in primary 6. Today, we will continue solving the 100 questions. The next question is number 31. 4 over 25 equals space percent. So, to solve this example, the denominator must be 100. So, 4 over 25. 25 times by 4. Excellent. Times 4. Down and up. So, 4 times 4 equals 16. 25 times 4 equals 100. So, this 16 over 100 equals 16%. So, here we put 16. As you see. Example number 32. 100% minus 45% plus 35% equals space percent. So to solve this example, at first adding the 2% here. 45 plus 35 equals excellent equals 80%. 80. 100 minus 80 equals 20. Next, 0.825 equals space percent. To solve this example, times this number by 100%. So 0.825 times by 100% equals, to times by 100, put this percent as it is, and 0.825 times 100, move the decimal point 2 places, 1, 2, so the point comes here. 82.5. As you see, 82.5%. Okay, continue. 34. 1 minus 37% plus 33% equals space. 1 means 100%. Yes, okay? Okay. So, also, adding the two numbers here, 37% plus 33% equals 70%. 100 minus 70 equals 30%. 35. 15% minus 0.15. At first, we convert this decimal number to percent. So, at percent, move the decimal point to decimal place becomes 15%. As in this example, 15 minus 15 equals to 0. Next, 23% of 300. 23% means 23 over 100. Of means times 300. Equals 100 divided 100 equal 1, divided 100 equal 100. Sorry, 3. Sorry. Equals 3. Cancel to zeros. To zeros becomes 3. 23 times 3 equals 3 times 3 equals 9, and 2 times 3 equals 69. Next, 0.625 equals space percent. As this example, move the decimal point to digit 1, 2, 62.5. 30% plus 40% equals 70%. In an example, if Adil scored 45 marks out of 50 marks, then the percentage of the scored make of Adil in math. Here in this example, I want to find the number of scored Adil in math, or the percentage in math. So, to find the percentage, we divide 45 by 50 and times by 100%. So, 45 over 50 times 100%. divided 50 equal 1, divided 50 equals 2. 45 times 2 equals 90, and put the simple percent as this, 90%. Okay? Okay. If y over 9 equals 15%, then y equals, convert this percent to fraction. So y over 9 equals 15 over 100. Cross product. So y equals, this is y over 9 equals, I want to find y, 15 times 9 divided by 100. 15 times 9 over 100. Divided 5 equals 3. Divided 5 equals 20. So 3 times 9. 3 times 9 equals 27 over 20. By the calculator, 27 over 20 equals 1.35 or 1.35. Next, an employee's salary is 500 pounds. He saves 10% of it. Then he saves what? Saves space. So to solve this, times 500 by 10%. 10% means 10 over 100 times by 500. Hence 2 zeros is 2 zeros. 10 times 5 equal 50. He saved 50 pounds. 42, example number 42. If 25% of a piece of cloth equals 250 centimeters, then the length of the whole cloth equals space centimeters. Focus with me in this example. In this example, they give me 25% equals 250. And I want to find the whole cloth. Whole cloth means 100%. So to solve the example, focus with me. 25% gives 250 centimeters. So 100% gives what? Cross multiplication. To find whole cloth, we say 250 times 100 divided by 25. 250 times 100% over 25%. Cancel percent with percent. 25 equals 1, divided 25 equals 4. 250 times 4 equals 1000. So the result becomes 1000. Example number 43. 5 over 2 equals 20 over x. Then x minus 2 equals space. At first, we find the value of x. Cross multiplication. X equals 20 times 2 over 5. Divided 5 equals 1, divided 5 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. So put here x minus 2. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Next, if Ahmed drinks 21 glasses of milk quickly, then the rate of what he drinks daily is, we divided 25 by quickly by 7 because day equal, sorry, week equal 7 days. So we divided 21 by 7 equals 3. Next, a to b equals 2 to 5, then a plus b over p equals space. Here in this example, a equals 2, it's 3. 3 is 2 and b is 5. So a equals 2 plus 5 over 5 equals 7 over 5. Its ratio is 7 over 5. Next, the length of an insect in the picture is 4 cm and its real length equal 2 mm. Then the drawing scale is space. Here I want to find the drawing scale. Drawing scale equals length in drawing over length in reality. So drawing equal length in drawing equals 4 cm. here equals 2 millimeter equals converting from centimeter to millimeter times by 10 excellent. So 40 over 2 equals 20 what? Millimeter. And the ratio means 20 to 1 over 1. 10 divided by 2 equals 1 divided by 2 equals 20. So 20 to 1, 20 over 1 means 20 to 1 at the ratio. Next. 12% of 89 kilogram equals approximate space. 12% means 12 over 100. Of means times 89 equals, by using calculator, this equals 10.68. 10.68. To approximate this equals 11. Approximately equals 11. A to B equals 5 to 6. And B to C equals 9. Equals 8 to 9. Then A to B to C equals space. A to B equals 5 to 6. And B to C here to C equals 8 to 9. 8 to 9. So 6 times 8 equals 48. 6 times 9 equals 54. 8 times 5 equals 40. So by dividing, by simplifying, it becomes 20 to 24 to 27. Okay? Okay. Next. In an equilateral triangle, the ratio between its side length and its perimeter equal 1 to 3. Its side length at first and perimeter equals 1 to 3. The side length of a square equals 3 cm. Then the ratio between its side length and its perimeter equals 1 to 4. 1 to 4. The four sides are equal in length in each of square and rhombus. The two diagonals are equal in length in each of square and rectangle. Here equal in length. Diagonal equal in length. Diagonal equal in length. But here sides. So focus. The two diagonals are perpendicular in which of square and rhombus. The four angles are right in each of square and rectangle. In the parallelogram, the sum of measure of the two consecutive angles equals 180. Next, in a parallelogram, each two opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. The rhombus is the square if two diagonals are equal in length. Next, if one of the angles of a parallelogram is right, then it will be called rectangle. Excellent. The opposite angles are equal in measure in each of rectangle, rhombus, square, and parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram in which measure angle A equals 50 degrees, then the measure angle C equals. This is a parallelogram, and the angle A, C are opposite. So equals 50 also. Because the opposite angles are equal in parallelogram. Don't forget this. Next, the cube has 6 faces. Each face is a rectangle, and each two opposite faces or space in area are equal in area. The cube has 6 faces also. Each face is a square, and they are all equal. The number of edges of the cube is 12. The number of vertices of the cuboid is vertices is 8. The edges of the cube are all space and length equal in length. 13 meter cube equals space meter cube. Here in this example, we convert it from meter cube to decimeter cube. So 13 times 1000 equal 13,000. Here 120 decimeter cube equals the space centimeter. From decimeter cube to centimeter cube times by 1000. So 120 times 1000 equal 120,000. 8,200 millimeter cube equals the space centimeter cube. Here converting from meter cube to centimeter cube. So divided by 1000. Divided by 1000 equals 8.2. Next, 3 meter cube equals the space centimeter cube. Here we converted from meter cube to centimeter cube. Times by 1 million. From meter cube to centimeter cube, we times by 1 million. We multiplied by 1 million. So equals 3 million. Next, the volume of the cuboid equal length times width times height. Next, the volume of cuboid equals space times space. The volume of cuboid equal base area times height. While length times width equals area of base. Why? Because in cuboid the base is a rectangle and the area of rectangle equal length times width. Next, a cuboid with dimensions 6 cm, 8 cm, and 10 cm. Then the volume is volume of cuboid equal length times width times height. Dimensions means length and width and height. So 6 times 8 times 10 equals 480 centimeter cube. If the volume of cuboid is 160 decimeter cube and its height is 5 decimeter, then its base area equals, here in this example he gives me the volume and the height. To find the base area equals volume over height. Volume over height. 160 divided 5 equals 32. Next, the volume of cuboid with base area 160 centimeters square and its height is 10 centimeters. Is here I want to find the volume. 160 times 10 equal 1,600 centimeter cube. If the dimensions of the cuboid are equal, then it is called, here in this example, he give me cuboid and its dimensions is equal, means length equal width equal height. So is called cuboid. Next, the volume of cuboid equal length times itself. If the edge length of a cube is 0 centimeter, then its volume is 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. If the area of one face of a cuboid, or sort of a cube, is 25 centimeters square, then its volume equals space. Here, he give me the area of one face. I know cuboid, its faces is square. So the area of one face means the area of a square. So at first, we must find the length. The length is 5, right? Yes, because 5 times 5 equals 25. And the volume equal length times itself times itself. 5 times 5 times 5 equals 125. Continue. If the total area of a cube equals 24 centimeters square, then its volume is, here he give me the total area of the cube. I know cube had 6 faces. So at first we must divide 24 by 6. 24 divided 6 equals 4. So the area of one face equals 4. 4 is the area of one face. So its side is 2. 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. Next, the volume of the cube is 1000 centimeter cube. Then its side is 10. Excellent. 3 liter equals space millimeter. To convert it from liter to millimeter, times by 1000. So 3 times 1000 equals 3000. 0.0781 liter equals space centimeter. Also, from liter to centimeter cube, we times by 1000. So move the decimal point 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. the decimal point becomes 0. So the number is 78.1. 78.1. The last example in this video, 2.7 decimeter cube equals space liter. Here I want to convert from decimeter cube to liter. No. I know, Mister, I know decimeter cube equal liter are the same. So 2.7 adages. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.